So that's what I'm going to teach today. I don't know if you guys already know it, but it's kind of parkour. Well, oops. I'm gonna put the camera right here so you can see. Let's see if you can see. Okay. One sec. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing vlogs. I got inspired by Roman Atwood and Vitaly and them. So I'm just gonna do a vlog about parkour right now, and then I'm gonna start doing like daily vlogs where I go and stuff. But so I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's see if I can get it again. Can't really see. Wait. Okay, there you go. So pretty much just jump off and roll like that and get back up. So like that. So I'll get you more vlogs, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll do daily vlogs and stuff and house tour. Thank you.